Namaste guys, आज फेरि आएको छम. I'm back with another brand new video. Today I'm with my Sali Nani, Miss Regina Shrestha, हैन. Today I'll be vlogging about one of the famous and one of the most attractive mall in UAE, or you can say in Dubai. What's the name? My friend
DFC.
is DFC. It's Dubai Festival City. So we are heading to our Dubai Festival City and we are exploring you about all DFC, the brands, the food courts, the brand, the food courts, and the बाहिरको के किचन छ त्यहाँ यस्तो वाटरफलहरु पनि छ है DFC मा. Have you ever been there?
No. Once I have been there, one time.
For me, it's my first time. Okay, so I already one of my friends is working in DFC.
DFC is the one where is the IKEA, right?
It's near to IKEA, yeah, IKEA.
Ah, okay.
So be with us. So we'll tell you how if you want to go DFC and if you are staying on like near a Riga place, just you need to take a metro from Riga
But everybody knows that.
But Riga, some like me, I don't know, but before. So I asked her about the way. Okay.
Didi?
Yes. So first I will go to this is metro station. Then I will get down on the DCC metro station. From there I will take public bus.
We need to ride a bus also?
So how you will go? So from there to there is like 10 minutes. So be with us. And for those who are watching my channel for the first time, guys, please, as always, please consider a subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And yes, enjoy my video like as always you guys are doing. And yes, you know I'm doing only vlogging, challenges, a new place exploring. Okay, so please subscribe. So right now,
Hi guys, he just came back from washroom.
so we are in metro. So Amika utrinere.
DCC.
So we'll get down and Dera City Center. Now exit to metro bus stop. We should go to exit 3. This way. So हामी कहाँ छौं रे?
There are city center को bus stop.
बस स्टपमा छ अनि हाम्रो बस कति बजे आउँछ अब? आउन लागेछ हैन? So we are waiting for our bus like it's 53 number bus. So it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll be reaching in DFC soon. So we'll update you guys more, huh? So guys, the best thing in Dubai is you will get public transport in each and every corner. Wherever you go, wherever you want to go, there is a public bus. Okay, you don't need to take taxi. You don't need to take spend expensive taxi fare, but you will get public transport everywhere. It's 88. You can see 53 is there. So our bus is there now. Yalla, let's go to DFC. Number is our bus. Let's go. So हामी चाहिँ अहिले public transport bus मा छौं हैन. So I think it takes around 10 minutes to reach there. Like so हैन. त्यसपछि चाहिँ हामी will explore DFC. We will try to capture everything what we can in our short video हैन. So राम्रोसँग हेरिदिनु होला अनि do comment and what do you think about the place so yes, finally we reached in DFC guys and हामी चाहिँ यहाँ DFC को IKEA भन्नेमा झरेको छौं. So I think that side is the entrance. Reju, what do you think?
Yeah.
So maybe that's the entrance. So let's go there. This IKEA. So we are in the entrance of DFC. That's the entrance. Let's go. Wait, so हामी चाहिँ भित्र मल भित्र आइसकेका छौं हैन. So कहाँ के छ we don't know. This is my first time in DFC. It looks amazing. It's not like others हैन ठुलठुलो.
It's not like a big malls, but like the DCC.
Yeah.
Right? It has.
चौडाइमा ठुलो के है. So you will see here lots of people walking. भन्न छैन कोही पनि. accessories. Full of brand, full of brand. 80, 50 and baht on the. Rejo, are you enjoying?
Yeah.
So where we are going right now?
To Boots.
To Boots. And anything you want to buy from DFC?
Yes, I want to buy a shoes.
Which brand?
Skechers.
Skechers. So we'll head into Skechers also once we went to Boots. Okay? Do you want to take this lift? What do you think?
I don't know.
Let's go.
What did he told? Where is her?
I don't know. We'll find by ourselves. So first we'll go Boots. We'll meet our friends. Then we'll go to Skechers to buy her one pair of shoe. So okay.
And I want to buy a pant too.
Pants too. We'll go to LC. Okay. Let's go.
यति पुरै घरमा छ है? लुरुदाई छ हो?
लुरुदाई ट्रान्सफर भएको छ अहिले के उता दुबई मलमा यस्तो मजा मोमोसो अर्ली मर्निङ म्याम डिसिसीमा हो कस्तो धेरै मान्छे नि हाम्रोमा मान्छे हुँदैन यार ओ माई गॉड हुन्छ यहाँ स्केचेस यहाँ थोरै सबै एप्पलको मात्र रहेछ भनेको Plugs here, Catters, Daiso, खै Boots, Mother Care, कति कस्टमर हुने यहाँ त बाफरे कस्टमर कति धेरै हुने के
यस्तो खाली छ
साली यार म त एक दुईवटा नै हिँड्दैन भनेको So our friends is working in this Boots pharmacy हैन So हामी चाहिँ यहाँ जाँदै छौं बुट्समा
She's asking something.
Let's go. They surprise her. She knows we are coming. हेर्नुस् यहाँ काम गर्छौं हाम्रो साथीहरु बुट्समा We are here in Boots pharmacy. रेजो हामी कहाँ छौं रेजो
हामी बुट्समा छौं दिदीको काम गर्नेवाला फार्मेसीमा
So maybe you guys know she is Muna. She's working here in Boots Pharmacy. We already met to our friend. Now we are going to Skechers for her shoe.
Duty shoes, huh?
For her duty shoe. Let's go and see. So finally, she choose her shoe. White shoe from Skechers. So you are happy with the shoe?
Yes.
Allah. So finally she bought one pair of Skechers
And also a
6 pair of socks. Only in 35 dirham. Wow, that's amazing. So हामी अब थोरै घुम्ने छौं हैन. We'll explore some more हैन. त्यसपछि हामी घर फर्किने छौं.
Didi is busy, right?
She is busy there. So हामी चाहिँ घुमेर आउँछौं. Let's explore more of DFC beyond the beach.
Let's go to the port.
यहाँ लुरेको दोकान So here is another one brand called Vinci हैन हाम्रो लुरे भाइ यहाँ काम गर्थ्यो
अनि केही छैन त नि यहाँ जाने भ्यागे लाग्न त छोरा
Right now he is not here
एकचोटी हेर्नु न सबै
नै नजाने He transport to
बच्छ भनेर
So अब चाहिँ हामी फुड कोर्ट तिर गएर छौं
Actually I start feeling cold now.
Okay. So you want to buy
Dubai
some?
is all about feeling cold and like hot, you know. Whenever you will walk outside, my God, you will start sweating as a hell.
Okay.
And then when you come inside any malls, even at your flat also, shit man, it's very cold.
So let's go to LC. You want to buy some pants?
No, I want to go to Vena's store.
It's the same thing.
No, but he will guide me more nicely. I don't want to be guided by some other people.
Okay, so for hot pants, we'll go to DCC. And you know where is food court?
I don't know.
So where we are going?
I don't know.
You know, कस्तो मजाको त्यो टाउबाहरू यही नरहेछ नि
हाम्रो बहिनी त गर्छ यति धेरै ब्रान्ड छ कि बाफरे you can't even remember
What's upstairs? This is also one of the expensive brand. Diesel. Oh my god. I love this jeans. Diesel. What? Mafi Fulus. Expensive po. And you guys know Dubai or almost all UAE is famous for its malls. Its malls, its big buildings. Like as you guys know, the world tallest building is in Dubai, and the world largest mall is in Dubai also. So please visit if you guys. So we are in food court now. Okay, Reju, what do you want to eat?
I will eat fries from KFC. You eat the
Chicken. So where is KFC now?
I saw down there.
Maybe Muna wants something.
Yeah, maybe she wants some massages.
Call her. Call her. Ask her if she wants anything so we can take for her also. We are heading towards KFC. KFC. So Reju, what's the food of KFC?
Green turkey fried chicken.
Oh.
Of course, I am from hospitality.
I was not expecting that answer. You have good IQ.
I'm very talented girl actually.
Wallah.
Yeah, you don't know my talent, you know.
So just now we finished our food also. I ate KFC. उसको तेल के पनि खाएन. मैले KFC बटर खायो. तुमले fries खायो. Now we will go to see more places.
Pepsi.
Then we will stop our video, okay? Novo's cinema also, you know. Every Bollywood, Hollywood movie will be, shown here, yeah. Nova cinemas. यहाँ बच्चा खेल्ने ठाउँ छ. So H&M is there, guys. H&M only can get lots of good things.
H&M, you get discount on that, right?
H&M is another brand. This also, yeah. Only Muna will get discount. So we have carrying food here, IKEA here. Brand Bazaar is a brand bazaar.
H&M is also a good brand, right?
Oh, it's good, yeah.
I mean for the pants.
It's for them.
Kiddiसँग pants.
It's almost, vlog ko अन्तिम आइसकेको छौँ हैन.
अनि DCC त जाने भएको छ.
No, that will be different vlog. Pack the pack was a new job for the पनि. एकजना मात्र हो क्या स्टाफ पनि यार?
Manager हो क्या?
No idea. So हाम्रो DFC को vlog चाहिँ यतै सकिन्छ र now we will finish our DFC vlog and we will head to home, guys. See you in next vlog, guys. Bye. Bye bye, and please subscribe the channel. Dang. So this is it for today, हैन. आजको लागि हामी DCC के DFC को vlog यति नै हो. So now we are going home. So guys, stay safe, stay happy, and till then keep laughing and keep watching Amrit Entertainment. And yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Anything, Reju?
No.
Nothing? Wallah?
Wallah.
To my viewers, to my subscribers for
Yeah,
watching
please
Entertainment.
Keep loving please keep loving Amrit Entertainment.
Okay.
He's doing a great job.
Okay.
He's
Okay.
making a very nice videos.
Okay.
That whoever are not able to come here, I mean like whoever are not able to reach to the destination place that he sold.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
She's not too much familiar with camera.
Yeah.
So she's a little bit shy and nervous. That's why she's like arguing in bicha ma. So okay, bye. See you soon. Take care then. Bye bye.